Okay, guys, good morning from wherever you're watching this video. I created this channel to document and share my trading journey, wins, losses, and everything in between. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Let's get down to the video. So I posted a trade I took on Xauusd on my post on YouTube. If you check it out, you will see it. So I took a loss on that trade after having the trade for almost 11 hours. So let me take you on the breakdown of the trade I took. I was buying from this level and targeting these highs to be taken out. Let me take you guys on the breakdown. Let's go to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, we have a V-shaped key level right here. If we go to the line chart, you are going to see it. Xauusd is bullish right now. So on the weekly time frame, we have this V-shaped key level that got disrespected to the downside. So I'm anticipating for price to trade into this level and sell to the downside. We also have something down here. We have an imbalance down here. So I'm anticipating for the price to sell from this level and buy from this level, continue the price to the upside. So right now I'm bullish on the weekly time frame. So go down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, these levels I marked down here are the levels that are precise level I'm expecting price to reverse from. This an OCL that got disrespected to the upside, so price might probably just come down here, react and buy to the upside. Also, this level is also possible. There is still like a should I say scans as a mitigation block, or should I say breaker? This can just act as an inducement, and price will just buy down, set down here, and just keep buying. So that was the reason I marked those two zones, and I'm waiting. But because of this level I have here on the weekly time frame, and it's closer for me, so that was the reason I wanted to keep buying Xauusd to take out or to mitigate this level before it sells to the downside. So on the daily time frame, we are going to look for a level. Price was not here yet as of the time. Price was still somewhere here. So on the daily time frame, we are going to look for a level. We saw this ACL, this OCL over here. It's upon close key level over here. So I wanted to keep buying from this level, continue the buys, at least take out this high, at least, because this level we are reacting from, we also have a V-shaped key level that got disrespected here on the daily time frame. Go down to go to our line charts. We're going to see it on the line charts. The line chart, this is it. We also have price rejecting from that level. So it's very valid that price might just sell from here to these levels we are expecting before the buy continuation. Then here might just be used for reactions, and then continue the sales and continue the buys. So, but for me, I was thinking this is a strong zone. That is this weekly key level will be the one that will push the price down. So I wasn't paying attention too much to this daily V-shaped key level, because After the rejection, price didn't even give us a good confirmation to sell. So I was focused on the buys. So after reacted from this level, um, we saw a reject and close above. Going down to the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, you need to look for a breakout. Okay, let me delete this daily key level here. On the 4 hours time frame, this was where price reacted from on the 4 hours time frame, this level. On the daily time frame, yeah. So on the 4 hours time frame, we'll be looking for a breakout to the upside. So on the 4 hours time frame, we saw this clear breakout to the upside here. I would say quick breakout to the upside on the 4 hours time frame. If we go to the line chart, you're going to see it. So we'll be looking for price to trade into that 4 hours level. But that wasn't what I saw. I saw something here. Because when I came to the chart, I saw these massive Marabozo candles to the upside. So I was like, wow, 4 hours is super bullish. So we are going to take out these highs. At least that is the highs I told you about. So I was looking at this place as liquidity. So I saw this open close this V-shaped key level that got disrespected to the downside and also got disrespected to the upside. So I was waiting for price to react from this key level. So when price traded into that key level, price reacted from there, and we have a mitigation and a candle closure inside the zone. If you go to the line chart, you are going to see the V-shaped key level I told you right there. So when we saw this mitigation candle closure inside, we went to the 1 hour time frame to look for our entry. So on the 1 hour time frame, we are going to be looking for a breakout, then we look for our entry. On the 1 hour time frame, what do we see here? Before price mitigated this zone, we saw a sweep and a break to the upside. We saw a sweep of liquidity and a breakout to the upside. So our breakouts can happen in 2 ways. Either we have just a breakout this way, like this on the line chart, you see it clearly, or we have a sweep to break. What's happened here was this second scenario, a sweep of liquidity to break. Let's check it out on the line chart. You see it. Yep. We saw a sweep to break. I have a breakout on the 1 hour time frame. Let's go back to our candle. So we saw this on the 1 hour time frame. I was looking at this already as liquidity. I was looking at this as liquidity already, so I went down to the 45 minutes time frame. Let's check the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, at the 30 minutes time frame, this was what I played from. I played from this OCR, this inverse OCR right here, which is also like kind of matching with an other block, and that was the point or the region where our inducement liquidity was closer to. So I took a buy entry from this position. This was where I put my stop loss. My stop loss was little bit Below this level. Yep, yeah, I was targeting. Okay, I had the 1:8, I think. Yep, I have a 1:8 trade. Yeah, this was how I played it. Um, Price came, mitigated the level here, but almost all the way I saw a profit at almost 100 plus. Price came, mitigated it and also kept flying. I just thought maybe after the mitigation of this one, we might just take out this level. Then price just did something like this and started selling to the downside. Oh, after 11 hours, when price came somewhere here also. When price came here, I went to the 15 minutes time frame, or was it the 5 minutes time frame? Yeah, when price came here, I think it was the 5 minutes time frame. Or 1 hour. Although this trade really messed with my psychology because after this long rise to the upside, I placed my BE somewhere here. But when price was coming down here aggressively, I removed the BE, I put it back here. I put my stop loss back here. So when price came here, price was reacting from this level, giving all this um giving all this. So I was seeing all this I was seeing all this range. So when price swept, I saw this like AMD settings, like accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So when price swept all this liquidity down here, I was kind of happy that I wasn't taking out, and I was thinking price would just bump to the upside. But this was price did. Damn. I think that zone we ignored. That was what's pushing the sale. But I didn't see anything though. No regrets. This is a breakdown. Oh, let's check what made the sales happen. Let's check. Let's check. The results on this trade, I posted my execution on my post. You can check on my post on it, my recent post. You will see it. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, this was the level on the daily time frame that set price react. That is this V shape key level that got disrespected. So we saw a rejection. Also, we saw a sweep there. We saw a sweep of that high. We saw a rejection inside. That's a very strong confidence. Um, this was the zone we are waiting. That is for this is what we are waiting for on the for our buy bias. But let's say we have a sell bias right now after this specification. Let's assume we have a sell bias in mind. So everything we are going to be looking at is just so go down to the 4 hours time frame to look for our 4 hours breakouts. I think we'll have a breakout. Yep, these are breakouts. These are 4 hours breakouts right here. Yep. So we are going to wait for price to trade this level, because also this level is um kind of our discounts premium level to continue our sales to the downside. Yeah, this 50%. We are going to wait for this 50%. So yeah, this was the reason I didn't take any sales. This was the reason I didn't take any sales. I was expecting price to react from either this A-shape key level. I was expecting price to react from here and sell to the downside, because this zone for me is already mitigated. So when price um when price trading to this level and reject this level right here, that is the valid level for me. Let's take this out. I went down to the 1 hour time frame. I didn't see anything. Nothing presents itself on the 1 hour time frame. Actually, we have after this thing, we have this sales by then we have, if you want to consider this place a break of structure, I didn't see anywhere to take my entries from. So I was waiting. Price disrespected it, so there wasn't anything. Uh, I think price just did it. Probably might just be ranging on the might be ranging on the hours time frame, probably. So this me trading on the rank. That's a trade is ranging market. So I think this just happened. Thank you, really appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. I'll be doing more videos like this on my trade breakdowns, execution, and outlook. Thank you very much, guys. God bless you.